Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to install item number 217097, the MagnePro magnetic mount from ProClip. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have your ProClip mount installed on your dash. And if you don't have one of these yet, you can always visit ProClipUSA.com, go through our finder, enter your make, model, and year, and you'll find what you need. For the actual holder, our first step, we're going to want to loosen this center screw all the way. Basically, you're just going to use a number 1 Phillips screwdriver and undo that screw. Once you feel the screws completely loosened, just grab the base and grab the faceplate and pull them apart. Now you want to attach the base plate to your ProClip mount using the included self-tapping screws. Now that the base plate's attached to your mount, we can reattach the front using that same center screw. Now that the MagnePro is in place, you're ready to attach your phone. Just be aware, you do need a phone that has MagSafe capability or a case such as this one with the MagSafe built in. All you have to do, attach it, and you're good to go. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.